Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to block someone on Tinder using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, let's simply look at how to block someone. Right here is a profile that I want to block, so here's what we can do about it. Right here in this profile, you will find an icon like this. That's I. Simply click on it. Then the profile will open up. Now what we need to do is simply scroll down. And at the bottom, you will see something like block or report. The choice is up to you. Right now, what we want to do is simply block. So let's click on the option right here. And this will open up. It's asking us for our confirmation whether we actually want to block or not. Yes, we do want to block, so let's click on yes block. If you don't want to, you can simply hit no, return to profile. I'm gonna click on the first option right here. And guys, there you go. As you can see, the profile has been blocked. And guys, that's it. That's how we block someone on Tinder. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.